Hello everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you how to convert your video to 4K in CapCut PC web video editor here. So first of all, you just need to come to this CapCut web online video editor. Then you need to go to this magic tools option here in the left corner. Click on it. Then click on for videos option. And here you'll find the option called video upscaler. Click on it. Then you just need to upload your file here. Then after uploading the file here, you can see this is the resolution here. And this video is going to convert to this resolution, which is the 4K resolution here. So you just need to click on this upscale here and it will start to convert your video to 4K. And after a couple of seconds, you can see the resolution has been changed to 4K here. So if you want to see the original video again, you have to click on this, see original. As you can see, the resolution has been changed to 4K here. So if I play this video, as you can see, this is the 4K resolution. And if I go back to see original, and here is the other resolution. So if you want to download this, just click on export. And here, as you can see, there's the download option here. So that's it guys, this is the video. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.